Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to showcase 20 of the coolest and most innovative kitchen gadgets that will make your cooking and meal prep a breeze. From time-saving tools to ones that will add a touch of fun to your kitchen, we've got it all. So sit back, relax, and get ready to upgrade your kitchen game. Let's dive in. Number 1. Can Opener. This is a can opener, a handy kitchen tool that makes it easy to open cans of food. First, make sure the can is clean and dry. Align the blade with the top of the can and press down, cutting into the metal. Then, rotate the can opener handle around the can to make a complete circle. Lift the blade off and the can is now open. Number 2. Automatic Drink Pourer. If you are a drink lover, you know that pouring drinks can be sometimes messy and difficult. This automatic drink pourer is designed to make pouring drinks easy, precise, and mess-free. With its unique design, the drink pours smoothly, without any drips or spills. And with its adjustable flow control, you can pour the perfect amount of drink every time without any waste. Number 3. 2-in-1 Window Cleaning Brush. Imagine trying to clean a dirty window just with a cloth. The dirt and grime seem to stick everywhere. With the 2-in-1 Groove Window Cleaning Brush, those problems are a thing of the past. The unique design allows you to clean even the toughest grooves and crevices with ease, leaving your windows sparkling clean. Number 4. Automatic Spin Mop. Are you feeling tired of using the traditional mop and bucket to clean your floors? Do you hate how it leaves your floors wet and slippery? Whoa, not again! With just a touch of a button, the mop head spins, wringing out excess water, leaving your floors clean and dry in no time. This mop makes cleaning floors effortless and efficient. Simply fill the bucket with water and cleaning solution, dip the mop in the solution, and press the foot pedal to spin the mop clean. Number 5. Automatic Floss Dispenser. Do you struggle with using traditional floss and find it difficult to reach all your teeth? Here comes the portable automatic floss dispenser. With just the push of a button, the floss is automatically dispensed and ready to use. The compact and portable design makes it easy to use on the go, and the built-in lights helps you to see exactly where you're flossing. So, whether you're at home or on the go, the portable automatic floss dispenser is the perfect solution to make flossing easy, efficient, and comfortable. Number 6. Double Compartment Trash Can. Mixing recyclables with regular trash not only contributes to environmental waste, that's where the double compartment trash can come in. With its 2 separate compartments, this trash can makes it easy to sort and dispose of waste. Simply use one compartment for recyclables and the other for regular trash. The double compartment trash can also has a sleek and stylish design, making it a great addition to any kitchen. Number 7. 2-in-1 Glass Cleaner. Here, the 2-in-1 glass cleaner comes in with its all-in-one design. This cleaner makes it easy to clean glass surfaces without having to use multiple products. Simply spray the cleaner on your glass surface and use the attached microfiber cloth to wipe away streaks and smudges. The 2-in-1 glass cleaner is also environmentally friendly, as it eliminates the need for disposable paper towels. The 2-in-1 glass cleaner is the perfect solution. Number 8. Pot Dish Brush. Are you tired of using a traditional dish brush that spreads the dirt around? Then try our new dish brush with dispenser liquid filling. With just a push of a button, you can easily dispense the right amount of dish soap onto the brush, making your cleaning routine more efficient and less messy. First, fill the dispenser with your favorite dish soap. Then, simply wet the brush, press the button on the handle, and start scrubbing. The soap will be evenly distributed on the brush bristles, making your dishes sparkle in no time. Number 9. Kitchen Accessories Drain Holder. Are you tired of having to constantly search for your kitchen utensils in a cluttered and disorganized drawer? Do you hate having to hand wash each utensil one by one? This gadget is for you. Spoon, fork, knife, chopstick hanging drain holder. With this handy kitchen gadget, all your utensils can be easily stored and air-dried in one convenient place, keeping your kitchen organized and clutter-free. Number 10. Waterproof Wireless Doorbells. Are you tired of missing important visitors because you can't hear the doorbell from inside your home? With this doorbell, you'll never miss a visitor again. It's waterproof and wireless, so you can place it anywhere and receive alerts on your phone or tablet. This doorbell is wireless, making it easy to install and use without the hassle of complicated wiring. It's also waterproof, ensuring that it will continue to work even in rainy weather. Experience peace of mind and convenience with the waterproof wireless doorbell. Order yours today. Number 11. Ceramics cup and warmer pad. Are you tired of constantly having to reheat your coffee? Do you find that by the time you've gotten to the bottom of your cup, it's already gone cold? Not anymore. This ceramic mug and USB coaster warmer pad ensure that your coffee stays at the perfect temperature from the first sip to the last. This is convenient and easy to use. Simply plug it into your computer or power bank and your coffee will stay warm for as long as you need it to. Number 12. Foldable Broom and Dustpan Set. This set is designed to make cleaning up quick and easy, with a compact design that folds down for easy storage. The broom features strong, durable bristles that are effective at sweeping up dirt and debris, while the dustpan has a lip that conforms to the ground for maximum efficiency. No more struggling with unwieldy brooms that take up too much space, or having to bend down too far to use a dustpan. The Foldable Broom and Dustpan Set is the perfect cleaning solution for anyone who wants to make their life easier. Number 13. Automatic Rice Bucket. Tired of having to constantly transfer rice from the bag to a storage container? Want to keep your rice fresh and protected from moisture and pests? The 5 and 10 kg Press Automatic Rice Bucket. This rice bucket is designed with a press button that makes it easy to dispense just the right amount of rice, and its moisture-proof sealed tank design helps to keep your rice fresh for longer. The tank is also equipped with a convenient handle for easy carrying, making it perfect for transporting rice to picnics or other outdoor events. The 5 and 10 kg Press Automatic Rice Bucket is the perfect solution for anyone who wants to keep their rice fresh and easily accessible. Number 14. Automatic Cleaning Brush. This brush not only features soft bristles that are gentle, but also has the capability of automatically dispensing liquid, like soap, for a more effective clean. To use, simply fill the handle with your desired cleaning solution, press the button, and let the brush do the work for you. Number 15. Cartoon Toothbrush Holder. Are you tired of constantly searching for your toothbrush in the morning or having it fall on the floor? Then you need our new portable wall-mounted cartoon toothbrush holder. With its unique design and strong suction, you can easily attach it to your bathroom wall and keep your toothbrush within reach at all times. Just peel off the protective backing, place the holder on the wall, and press down firmly. That's it. You can now enjoy a fun and stylish solution to your toothbrush storage problems. Number 16. Toilet Trash Can with Cover. The bathroom is a place where we go to clean ourselves, but it's also a place where we create messes. But with a toilet trash can with cover, those messes can be contained and eliminated. The toilet trash can with cover has a built-in lid that opens and closes automatically, ensuring that bathroom messes are contained and eliminated. No more overflowing trash cans or trying to hide the mess with towels. The toilet trash can with cover is also designed with style in mind. The sleek, modern design fits perfectly in any bathroom. Number 17. Extendable Microfiber Brush. Dust and dirt can accumulate in hard-to-reach places, making it difficult to keep our homes and offices clean. Without the microfiber brush, these struggles are all too common. But with this innovative product, you will never have to worry about dust and dirt again. The microfiber brush is also designed with durability in mind. The high-quality construction ensures that it will last for years to come, and the compact design makes it easy to store when not in use. Number 18. Shower Head Holder. Loose shower heads can be frustrating and dangerous, but with the shower head holder, those worries are a thing of the past. But with this innovative product, you'll never have to worry about a loose shower head again, making it easy to install and ensuring that your shower head will stay securely in place. This is also designed with style in mind. The sleek, modern design fits perfectly in any bathroom, and the high-quality construction ensures that it will last for years to come. Number 19. Reusable Food Bag. Single-use plastic bags are a significant environmental concern, but with the silicone Ziploc reusable food bag, you can help reduce your plastic waste. The silicone Ziploc reusable food bag is made of high-quality, food-grade silicone, making it safe for storing food, and with its Ziploc design, it's easy to keep your food fresh and secure. The silicone Ziploc reusable food bag. This is also designed with sustainability in mind. By using this reusable bag, you can help reduce your plastic waste, and the high-quality construction ensures that it will last for years to come. Number 20. Bottle Cap Opener. Struggling to open a bottle can be frustrating, but with the multifunctional bottle cap opener, you can open any bottle with ease. It's easy to open any bottle, no matter the shape or size. Place the multifunctional bottle cap opener on top of the bottle cap. Apply pressure to the opener and turn the bottle counterclockwise to loosen the cap. Once the cap is loosened, simply and gently twist it off. Enjoy your drink and use the multifunction bottle cap opener to open any bottle with ease. And that's a wrap for today's video. We hope you enjoyed watching. Please hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome content like this. Until next time, take care and we'll see you in the next video.